Tuesday morning. That's right, it's Tuesday, not Monday. Had some stuff we had to get taken care of on the maintenance side that wasn't going to be able to be done until Monday, so had to push back till Tuesday to start, which isn't really a big deal. Tighten the car seat. But anyway, we are starting today. We're going to be, actually I don't even remember where our job is today, but it's a little less than an hour from the warehouse. So we'll get down there, get loaded up, and get over to the job, get it knocked out today. It's cookie cutter coming out. Not so much of a cookie cutter going in, but we should be alright. There's not much accessories going in. We do have a ceiling tile, walls, of course, shower pan. We have I don't know if we've set one on the channel yet, but it's a shower pan that can be cut to size pretty much. So those get troweled out instead of just sections of mortar like we normally do. But yep, that's our shower today, and the reason why it's not so much of a good cutter going back in is because I think it's like 28 inches deep, and which is weird. But yeah, we should be alright though. Standard pan's 30 inches. The smallest standard pan I think is 30 inches deep. So, but that one's today. I'll let you guys, of course, know the time once we get there. I don't have it in front of me right now. Second one's in Muncie, so that'll be tomorrow's job. That one isn't so much a cookie cutter. It's tile with shower pan, I think. So it's kind of cookie cutter, kind of not. But we have a locker on that, so we'll be able to easily run the walls to the ceilings. The tile's a thick tile though, so hopefully we can bring out the walls just a little bit or something to cover up the grout exposure on the ceiling from the tile. But that's tomorrow's problem. We'll figure that out tomorrow. I got ideas. We'll figure it out. We'll get her knocked out. Hopefully it's another one we can get done in a day. I don't think we have many accessories on that one either. So hopefully it's just a 2-day work week with the shower stuff, and we're back to doing some stuff at the house. I'm about here to get tied, so take care of my office, get down to Indy, and I'll catch you guys at the job site. Alright guys, we made it to our job for the week, or the first job for the week. I actually still don't know where we're at, but it's cookie cutter coming out, kind of. Shirley, Indiana's where we're at. Cookie cutter coming out. 28-inch deep shower, kind of weird. But we're set up. Tad's rocking and rolling right now. I'm going to get my accessories and stuff ready, and we'll get this knocked out today and move on to the next. Hopefully it's a smooth week, but we'll see. But I'm going to get you guys to the time lapse.
clench my hands till my knuckles are white, but it won't take me over. I'm moving past these years, and I know that I'm closer to leaving all my fears. 'Cause it's hard time, I'm getting stronger despite all of these monsters. And this time I'm moving so far, this light is taking over. Strong again, I'm seeing me in my own eyes. Song again is dancing in my mind, and it'll carry over. I'm moving past these years, and I know that I'm closer to leaving all my fears. 'Cause it's hard time, I'm getting stronger despite all of these monsters. And this time I'm moving so far, this light is taking over. To leaving all my fears. 'Cause it's hard time, I'm getting stronger despite all of these monsters. These monsters. And this time I'm moving so far, this light is taking over.
Alright guys, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Remember, stay motivated, stay positive, and we'll catch you on the next one.